Okay, so today I wanted to talk to you about a new addition, ta-da-da, which is right behind me. Okay, let me get it. Okay, so this board, which I think you can see now, I don't know if I'm holding it straight or not, but it'll do. This was an Amazon purchase that went marginally wrong. When I bought it, I thought it was like this size because I read it in centimeters and not in inches. Can we just have a round of applause? Yeah, fail. So, when it arrived, I wasn't sure I was going to keep it because I couldn't put it in the cupboard that I had intended to. It's too big for the cupboard. But instead, I thought I'll just try it. I'll try it for a month. If I don't like it, I'll give it to someone else. So this is a whiteboard, in case you can't see. It comes with a little whiteboard pen that I'm sure you're supposed to stick to the side, but I haven't done that yet. And little adjustable numbers, so you can change it every single month. And one of the things that I really wanted, which is why I bought it in the first place, was a visual image of the month ahead, because I've realized that in the last few years I haven't had that. I say few years, probably a bit more than that. But when I used to work in an office, which was what, pre-2012, I always used to print off an Outlook calendar for the month ahead and just pin it up with blue tack or something on my little cubicle section thing. Like, you know when you have those little bits? Anyway, so I used to pin them up there, and it really made a difference because I knew what was going to happen and how I had to plan for that, and it just really helped me. Even, in fact, before that, when I was at university, I had a massive Gantt chart up on my wall, which is a project management tool that, well, universities use as well. So then I could see when all of my essays and my dissertations and my reading all had to be completed by, but that was like a year-long one. That really wouldn't look so great in here. But I figured a month one would be great. So this is my new one. And what you've got is all the days of the month. And the only thing that I would have probably changed is it starts on a Sunday. And in my mind, Saturday and Sunday is at the end of the week and they sit together, but that's not a big deal. So anyway, the other thing it's got on the side here is a memo. So for January, I'm gonna have start strong, have fun, make plans. And by that, I mean like with friends and family. And then obviously, as always, be awesome. So I'm going to take you through how I used this the other day. But basically what happens is I look at my scheduler, my planner, which I will reach over for right now. So I use my planner here, and I basically go through all the days and see what's currently planned, and then I'll put it up here so I can see it. So that's pretty much it. If you guys think that this would be something you'd be interested in, I'll make sure that we link it below. Just be aware, you want to read it in inches, not in centimeters. So as always, if you haven't already, please feel welcome to subscribe and click the bell. One of the things that would be really cool is if you commented below on any of your favorite ways to plan, because I'm always open to new and exciting and interesting ways to plan my month. I would say I'm a massive planner, even though I don't get too bothered when things don't work out quite the way I hoped. I don't know how true that is. I might get a little moniker about things when they don't pan out the way I expected. Okay, never mind. Anyway, I want to know your thoughts and how you plan things. See you later.